There's so many units at this place. Super quiet, Brian. Yeah. 16. Is an American Standard. Really? 2011. Oh yeah, that's a big climate tuff compressor. There are a bunch of units over there, but there's like... This one's running. Yeah, there's a bunch of units over there. But... Oh, this Lennox is... It's really quiet. I already have 2 bars. This is a... 14. Wait, no, I think it's from... What? 2018. I think... Wait, no, it's an American Standard. Alliance School. Yeah. Alright, I don't think we'll get in trouble. It has some sticker on it. Wait, that is a scroll. 2001. Oh, that also has a scroll. Oh, here's a nice unit. Oh no, those. Oh, it's rare. I haven't seen that many of these. Yeah, that sound is pretty annoying. I think this one just turned off. Really? Okay, yeah, ignore that. That leaf blower sound is pretty annoying. And I don't want to get busted. Oh, all of these Goodmans have scrolls. Oh wait, here's another entrance to this place. Wait, what? Wait. Oh, I see. It's a Goodman. No, wait, no, this is not a Goodman. This is a man of distinctions. A man of distinctions that looks like a Goodman. I can't get a data. It's in a hard place. That's not a Goodman. It's in a man of distinctions. Okay, good. Yeah, it's starting up again. Yeah, look at all these. So, I mean, they can't really care. Yeah, they're just busy mowing the lawn. So if we get busted, we just explain to them. Yeah. Oh, this one sounds nice. Yeah, sorry about that. Is that a compressor blanket or something? I'm not really sure. This is an American Standard. Yeah. This Amanda sounds nice. It's not like the ones that I filmed in that other place. Right. Most of the units. Hang on. I'm gonna get the data off of this. Oh, I can't. It's all the way up. It's from 2012. Yeah. Here's a Rude. And another. This one sounds nice. Hang on, where's the data? This is a climate tuff scroll, I'm not sure. Oh, here it is. It's from 2014. Wait. I don't know how many tons it is. That's interesting. Yeah, here's a 2016 Comfort Series. It's a 3-ton. Oh, that is a big. Yeah, that's a compressor blanket. I don't know what that is. The Performance Series. One of these over here sounds nice. Yeah, all of these have scrolls. This one has a sound blanket over it. And what? 2006. Wait. Yeah, this. Oh wait, no, it's that one. That one's pretty noisy actually. Yeah. Wait, that's an Alliance scroll. That one sounds nice. 2012. 36,000. Yeah, 3-ton. Going cold air. And this one is noisy. Sounds nice, but it's pretty loud. Yeah, I don't know what mode that's in. And that is from 2018. And it's a 3-ton, I believe. Yeah, that one sounds really nice. Oh look, the thing is frozen. Here's another. What the heck? What kind of compressor is that? Oh wait, no, it's probably an align scroll. That's an American Standard. Oh no. Oh, this one sounds nice. I can't get the data because it's behind the bushes. Another American Standard. 2015 American Standard. Yep. Oh, there's a car, so it's gonna be my last video. I think we kind of got busted, so yeah. I'm going back to where my bike was. Not really, they were just looking at us, so it's fine. Well, that was a lot of units. There's a lot more around here.